Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn arranging of the fractions in descending order. And you must have see here all the fractions having different numerators and the different denominators. So first we have to convert into like fractions. Like fractions means what? The denominator should be same. But here you can see different denominators we have. So first we need to convert into all the fractions into like fractions. So what to do for that? Step 1. We have to try the LCM of all the denominators. We have to find out the LCM of all the denominators. LCM means lowest common multiples. So we put here 4 denominators. So mostly numbers are this 4, 4, 8, 4 are the multiples of 2. So we are taking here 2. 3 is not the multiple of 2. So we can just it will come down as it is. Now 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4. Again 2 4 2 are the multiples of 2. So we are taking again 2. 3 will come down as it is. Then 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2. Again 2 is there. So we are taking with 2. So 3 will come down, 1 will come down, 2 1 are 2, then 1. Then again 3, because we are going to the lowest form of lowest number of any number. So 3 1 are 3. So now we can see here 1 1 1 1 is there. So the multiplication of these numbers are called the LCM. So 2 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times 2 into 3. So 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4 2 is 8, 4 2 is 8, then 8 3 is 24. Our LCM we got now 24. Now step 2. Now step 2, divide the denominators. You can see here these are the denominators. We have to divide all the denominators with the LCM of 24. Now step 3, multiply both the numerators and denominators. Multiply both the numerators and the denominators with the result of the division of LCM and the denominators. So to make it more clear, we can see here we are going to the first fraction. So 5 upon 3. 5 upon 3 is complete improper fraction. Proper fraction and improper fraction you must have known. If the numerator is smaller than the denominator, it is a proper fraction. But if the numerator is bigger than the denominator, it is improper fraction. So improper fraction, whatever the result will come, that also will be the improper only. So first we will do LCM of 3 4 8 4 is equal to 24. So now we are going to divide 24 divided this denominator. So 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. Now 8 is the result. Now what to do? Both 5 upon 3 we have to multiply both the numerator and denominators with 8. So 5 into 8, 3 into 8. 5 8s are 40, 3 8s are 24. So first fraction we got 40 by 24. But this is also a improper, because here also improper, so its result is also improper fraction. So we will convert it. It would be easy to put in the descending order or ascending order. So we have to convert the improper fractions into mixed number. How to do? See, before 40, 24 1 jar 24 1 jar 24. Now 40 minus 24 is equal to 16. We can do like this here also. 40 divided by 24. 24 1 jar 24. Now it will be 10. It will be 3. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So denominator is the old denominator we will take. The one quotient will be the whole, and the remainder will be our new numerator. Now the mixed number is 1 whole 16 upon 24. So we can see here, I have written here 1 whole 16 upon 24. Now moving to second one. Again our LCM is 24. 24 divided by the denominator 4. So answer is 6. 4, 6 are 24, right? So 6 we have to multiply with 3 and 4. 3 into 6, 4 into 6, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24. Now we are moving to third fraction. So here the LCM you can see 24 is our LCM, and here the denominator is 8. So 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. So 7 by 8, 7 into 3, 8 into 3 is equal to 7 3s are 21 and 8 3s are 24. The last fraction is 2 upon 4. So how to do? Again our LCM, then denominator is here, so we will divide this. So 4 6 are 24, so answer is 6. Now we have to multiply with the numerator and denominator with 6. So 2 6 are 12, 4 6 are 24. Now we have all the new fractions, like fractions. So first we are writing the old fractions whom we going to compare. So 5 by 3 means this one, 1 whole 16 by 24. Now 3 by 4 means this one, 8 by 24. Now 7 by 7 upon 8 we got the new fraction 21 upon 24, and the last one 2 upon 4 means it's 12 upon 24. So now you can see whole numbers are always big, as I said, because whole number is big, it is not divided into fractions. So this is the biggest number, so we are putting, because it is descending number, descending order means putting big numbers to small number. So we are putting first place that whole number 16 upon 24. Now 18, 21, 12. So in if the denominators are same and numerators are different, the smallest numerator will be the biggest number. So we are putting 12 by 24 in the second position. Then left this one 18 and 21. So this is the lowest. So we are putting in the third position, and this will be the last position. Thank you.